mentioned there around kind of the pain points that some businesses might have. What do you think is the biggest pain point from a client perspective?
Sure. I mean, when you say that, are you talking about where dealing with stable coins or in the
Yeah.
general world? Yeah, no, yeah, it's a really, really important thing to consider because people think that, stable coins, oh, I can just, it's quite seamless. I can send from one wallet to another. I'll just off ramp and bring it into my own account and then I can pay onwards. Doesn't really work like that. I think most banks in the space are still kind of unsure about this. If you are a fintech and you just go and make a partnership with a crypto exchange, for example, that's only one piece of the puzzle. You can get liquidity as tight as you want, but if you're trying to bring that back into the fiat system, it's a massive problem. Most banks will see payments from crypto exchanges and outwardly reject those, and therefore your whole payment flow is done. Where we kind of differ is in our banking strength. We focused on building up a really, really large banking partner network. We've got 15 underlying banks now, add a new one every month. And that enables us to do some really interesting things like offer named accounts, not only for the fintechs that we serve, but for their underlying customers. So when they're bringing things back into the fiat system, there's almost that layer of separation between crypto flows and the rest of the fiat world. So for them, that's a reduced RFI risk, uh, less debanking risk, and they can rely on us to make sure that ecosystem, while segregated, works for them in a way that they want.